Well, welcome to day two. What I got on the go today is I got to clean all this stuff off here, give the bloody thing a good wash, get all the cobwebs off it. Now on these rear windows here I've got sort of like a vinyl covering that's been on there for at least as long as I've owned the truck, so 20 plus years. And it's all starting to craze and peel off, so just before I started filming I made a start on this side, and you can see I've managed to get a bit off, but hard going. So I'm using some mineral turpentine, and I've also got some CRC bug and tar remover, which seems to be helping. But I think what I'm going to do is get the heat gun and put a bit of heat on it and see if that softens the gum and makes it a bit easier to get off. So that's pretty much my plan for the day. Get that done and then get all these leaves and bits and pieces off and give it a good wash, and that's probably going to take me all day. So there you go. I'll check in a bit later. Well, as you can see, I used quite a few products. I got the old mineral terps and a glass scraper, and tried a bit of petrol, also some degreaser and bug and tar remover. But I did finally get all that crap off the window. So there's still a few bits of manky stuff on there. So it's going to need a bit more cleaning, but it's definitely better than it was. So pretty shiny. Now the depressing part is I got to do this side, and done. I cheated this time and used the high quality Ozito heat gun, which helped a little bit. However, because the vinyl was so badly crazed, it tore off in pretty small pieces, but we got there in the end, and that is looking pretty good. I've given it a bit of a clean. It's pretty dirty on the inside, so in a minute I'll connect the battery and wind the back window down and get in there and clean it, and hopefully, well, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so hopefully I can get it washed and